If you offer reputation management inside of GoHighLevel, this video is about to save you a lot of time and headache. If you don't know who I am, my name's Clay from reviewharvest.com. Last month, we made over $66,000 just helping local business owners get more reviews and rank higher on Google. And in the last 2 years, I've gone from about 150 clients all the way to 850 businesses actively paying us right now, with our core offer being reputation management. And in this video, I'll talk about all the problems that nobody on YouTube warns you about when running this type of business at this scale. Then I'll show you a tool that solves all your problems and sits directly inside your HeyLevel account. I started my business Review Harvest in 2023, and these are not just problems that I've heard about from other agencies. These are real problems that I have struggled through for years trying to find solutions to. Problems I only know from being in the trenches and being in the weeds of this type of business. Tool is not a concept I've just dreamed up. I've been working on this tool with the developer now for over a year and a half. And it's the exact tool I needed to grow my business from about $20,000 a month to over $66,000 last month. So let's dive into the problems. Problem number one, and this is a big one, it is the A2P verification problem. With every single new client, you're back in the process of trying to get verified, trying to get the paperwork set up, trying to get it submitted, paying the fees, dealing with rejections, having your clients text you, hey, why aren't reviews coming in? Why haven't we launched yet? And this isn't work you do once. This is something you have to do for every single client. It makes it really hard to run free trials. It makes it really hard to set people up easily and start getting them results before you charge them. And when you're selling low ticket software or low ticket services, it's absolutely essential to be able to set things up quickly for the business owner and get them results fast. Problem number two is the workflows. We've all been there. Why is this workflow not working? Why is this contact being added here? Why did the snapshot not copy over correctly? Why is this review link not working? And then every single time you set up a client, you have to spend 15 minutes testing it with your own email and hoping and praying it doesn't silently break in the background. This leads to you spending time debugging workflows when you could be getting more clients. Problem number three, if you've seen my stuff, you've heard of our personalized image review request. What this means is instead of sending out a boring text that doesn't get a very good response rate, we can send out a photo of the business owner, of the technician, and auto-populate the customer's name on this image. But to do this right now, you have to use a separate tool like Nifty Images. You have to go grab a photo from the client's Facebook or website. You have to go put it into Nifty Images. You have to edit it. You have to copy the link and paste it back into HeyLevel. It's just another subscription, another manual setup step you have to take. Problem number four is getting a client set up. Typically, you have to give them a login to HeyLevel. You need to get them on a computer and get them to connect the button where they add their Google business profile. It's just another login and another call for the client that they don't want. They potentially ghost you. You lose the deal because they don't have the time. Problem number five, fees start to pile up. Every phone number is $2 a month. Every new A2P campaign is $11 a month, much less the $24 they charge you up front. So every month you're spending $10 to $15 on this client just for phone number stuff before you even start sending out the text messages. Between the admin work for your VA and between all the phone number fees piling up, it can easily be $30 to $40 per month per client before they've even paid you a dime if you're doing free trials. And then you have to keep paying those fees every single month. Problem number six is you're kind of flying blind, right? There's no good way to see how all your clients are doing. How many reviews are they getting? How many requests are they sending out? Has their Google business profile been disconnected? There's no clean view where you can see the health of your clients all in one place. Worst of all, if a client's Google business profile disconnects, you have no clue or insight into that typically until the client is already upset about it. So that's the current reality. Lots of setup fees, lots of one-time little small fees that continue to grow month in, month out. Hours and hours of admin time spent clicking buttons, figuring out what's going on, what's wrong, troubleshooting stuff. And then now if we multiply that by 20, 50, 100, 200 clients like I had a couple years ago, things get out of control. It gets incredibly messy. So that's where the tool HeySegment comes in. This is the exact tooling that I've used in the past year and a half to triple our business. This means no A2P and A2P fees per client. No workflow babysitting and troubleshooting what's going wrong here or there. And it all sits directly inside of each of your HeyLevel sub-accounts. Let me tell you what it looks like when each one of these problems goes away. No workflows to build or test. It just works out of the box because I've already broke it 1,000 times so you don't have to. And what about client onboarding where you have to make an account for them so they can log into HeyLevel so they can connect Google? And onboarding, now it's just a link. Send the link to your client. They can connect their Google business profile directly from their phone, upload any photos they want to use for their personalized images, and they're good to go. You never have to create a login for them to sign into HeyLevel if they don't want to. Plus, simple tracking as to where a client is in the onboarding process. No more worry about things slipping through the cracks or you not getting access to what's needed. And when it comes to running this business day by day, you can have a clear dashboard where you see all your client insights so you're never left in the dark. No clicking between 20 different sub accounts and trying to figure out who's not getting reviews and why. When it comes to nifty images and building out those personalized images, it's now directly baked into the dashboard. No new subscription, no hand building out the images and trying to paste the link in the right spot. It's just there and works out of the box. Not to mention robust internal notifications so you can figure out when a client's Google business profile disconnects, when somebody's not getting reviews, when somebody's likely to churn. If their profile disconnects, it can message the client and automatically get them to reconnect it. So the problem fixes itself before you get the angry call from the client. This is just the tip of the iceberg that's going to be in version 1. And HeySegment is just getting started. Imagine getting a review and automatically connecting that to an actual contact inside of HeyLevel so you know who left that review. Also, clean client-facing reports so they can see all the work that you're doing. Easily setting defaults for franchise or multi-location businesses so you can onboard 10 businesses just as easily as onboarding 1. And to be clear, this all sits directly inside each HeyLevel sub account. So if you're doing missed call text back for them, it's seamlessly integrated. If you're following up with leads for them, it's seamlessly integrated. If you have a website for them in HeyLevel, it's seamlessly integrated. So no duct taping external tools into your client's sub account. It's already there. And here's the thing, the stuff I just talked about is what HeySegment does today. There's 2 massive secret projects that we're working on that are going to change the way you run your agency. We currently have a small group of beta users testing it, but on August 25th, it goes live for our original founders plans. You're going to get an incredible discount for being one of the early ones. So click the link down below and sign up to the waitlist. You'll be the first one notified and you'll have early access to our founders group. Drop any questions you have down below in the comments. I have not been this excited about anything in my business for years, so I can't wait to bring this to you. See you on the inside.